All right, guys, I know we discussed a lot of the fundamentals and different things like that about putting, but here we got a couple drills set up that are going to help you improve your putting, as opposed to just going out to the putting green and hitting a bunch of putts. You know, that does good, but nothing like doing these drills here that we'll talk about. Because let's remember, we've talked about there's no perfect stance, grip, setup when it comes to putting. There's many of different styles. You see it on tour every week of grip, stance, setups. The object of the game is to get the ball in the hole, and this is what these two drills that we have set up today are going to help you do. First, we have the circle drill. So we have, balls kind of in a circle. We have four stations here. We're about 3.5 feet apart. Really important putts in the game of golf that you need to make. So the goal of this drill is to start at one. You make the first one, you move on, you move on, you move on till you make all of them in a row in a circle. If you miss one, you start over. And then, depending on your time you have to practice, after you do this, you can move back a foot, try it again, and keep moving back however you want to do when it comes to that. But really important for 2.5, 3.5, 4 footers. You could go further than that if you'd like. So this is a real good drill for the short putts here. Then if we go over to the next station here, we have more of your lag drill. 20 feet to 30 feet. You can start at about the 20-foot range. Get you 4 or 5 balls. We got 2 tees set up, one about a foot short of the hole, one 18 inches past the hole. This will help you on your lag putting. You want to make sure you got to hit all 4 or 5 balls within those 2 tees. So either foot short of the hole or 18 inches past the hole, and if you don't get one in there, you start over, just like the circle drill. And once you get 5 of them in a row in there, then you could back up 5 feet. You could do 20, 25, 30 feet, depending on what your time schedule allows you to do. So we got these 2 drills. We're going to go ahead, perform a couple of them together and kind of go around, have a little fun before we end up this lesson. But that's mainly the drills of putting, 2 of the best drills that I have found over my years of teaching.